all have to appreciate everything that happens in life. So today, we are just going to prepare and set up our studio. This is a new adventure, and we have to appreciate everything. So travel with me to the studio. Welcome to my channel once again, King K all the way. Today we are going to set up our photoshoot studio, and I hope you'll enjoy watching this amazing content for today. It's been a while and I'm back. Remember, I do vlogs, I do events, and I do traveling vlogs, and today I just want to take you throughout the day. So we started by the unpacking, and we just want to arrange everything. So there is Clinton, and we have Sieki. I'm with Sieki, and I was the one behind the camera. What's that for?
This one. This is backdrop stand. One side. This is the one that we will use to handle the backdrop. If you want your pinky, you want your yellow, your purple, you want a white background, we will just put it here. So probably the purpose for this ndio ile unasemanga nitolee background. So to cut that time to make it easier for you, you have the backdrop. So ukitaka white, you just put the white, then you check your picture. Then you can go with it, you can edit, you can do some adjustments, but once the background is okay, and just take it away.
All this process was very fun because it was somehow something new that we were doing, and the setup was good. Everything was fun.
This is what a studio is. Without this, my friend, hauna studio. Alafu hizi juala sasa leo, tunatoa juala, tutarudisha kwa juala. Tutaka tunatumia box.
So what's that?
This is an E27 warm light, light with warmth, and it's okay. Is it warm and cool? Any warm and cool because the warm and cool. It's a very powerful light, 150 watts. So you can use it in the house.
50% of
150. You can use it in the house, but at 20. Is it at? Yeah, you can use it at 20. In fact, it's 20%. That means it's kind of 30 watts. 30 watts, and you can reduce the intensity too. So unaweza itumia tu kwa nyumba. This is a photography diffuser. So for example, kama light inanipiga hivyo, if I do this, the light inapungua. That is what we do. So what happens here, hii kitu imetengenezwa, it has some vitu like watery things on top. So their work is to reflect the light. So when they reflect the light goes anyhowly, and if it hits somebody's face,
direct into the eyes.
Direct. It will affect your eye. It will affect your eyes, and again, photography wise, it will create some rays. So what we use the diffuser to diffuse the rays, and then make the light even. Very soon we will have the power. But with these lights, let me tell you something about these lights. These lights are very nice. You can use them for your YouTube, for your like a big production. You can use this. You can use it for photography, as we are going to use it here generally. You can use it for video. You can use it for any of your videos, and most of them are makeup. You can use it for makeup, basically in your makeup cosmetics shop. These are very, very nice light to use in your makeup. You can just buy one and use it in your makeup so that you see each and every pixel and each and every part of your client, because that will make sure that you don't mess up with their tone. It's really bad if they mess with their tone. So you can buy this. It ranges between 5K to 7K, only one. So you can go check out, and you can also follow me. You can follow me for that, and I will direct you to the person who sold this to me. It's a multi-purpose light.
And now it was time to connect the electricity. After all the setup, it was that time that we were all waiting for. And guess what? We did it. We connected it, and
I want now to set the backdrops. So the technique I want to use, I want all the backdrops to be on the rail. So when you want to use black, just move the others away, then use the one that is there, so that we don't have to keep on removing them and returning them. We have a very long, almost 2 meters. It's almost 2 meters. So like 1.5 meters is enough for a normal portrait, unless now it's family, but we will have to cover the remaining part. We're going to start with black. This is one of those which will be used for a very long time. Now we will have to my tall friend open the side. This is cotton. It's cotton.
pure cotton.
Pure cotton.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's not reflective.
It's smelling white.
It's not reflective. So that when you take your picture, the light doesn't bounce back from there.
It subset.
From there. So you can't just put it, you have to look at it, because it's like the clothes that you do wear. There is the inside and there's the outside.
So this there.
Yeah. That's how black it's going in. Okay, now if you look at this cloth, it flows down. The reason why it flows down is because sometimes you want to take, when you want to take and like at the beach, it flows down. The client steps on it. So that means you need to be a clean person. You have to be cleaning them, because you can't possibly tell somebody to remove their shoes, yet they have so nice shoes. So that's it. There it flows down.
Wow. It looks wow.
So if you're not using it, roll it away. point. So now, there. Now we're going to put our white. So the reason why the black we didn't unpack like this white is because we had to make sure everything is okay. So we used it as a sample. As you can see, white is a very delicate thing. And I know you. Oh, so this is a 2 by 3 meters. 2 by 3 meters long. Okay, it's 2 by 3 meters. I think you understand that. 3 meters long.
3 by 2.
3 by 2
meters.
Whichever is
2 meters wide. So we're going to set it. That's the side.
And where is my long friend?
Put it there, my long friend, please. Start by that side so that it fits.
It is really white. It is a serious white. It is white.
But now this is a very nice linen, a very nice garment, because the white. So we're gonna roll it out too. So today we are doing setup, so we'll have to test all of them, and so we will, to make sure that they don't get that we will buy a carpet probably today, so that we make sure they are okay. So that's how it looks like.
you're only missing one color to have our Kenyan flag.
Yeah,
Now this one
right.
That's right.
Now, this one looks like the Nigerian flag.
We only need one.
So we're going to set up the black for testing.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
2,000 years later.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. That's how we have spent our day today. We are three. We are doing some setup, and just the beginning of a new journey. Ventures after ventures. And I have to say bye, and I hope you've enjoyed. Subscribe, you've liked, you've commented. By the way, show your ideas on how you approach businesses, how you approach new ventures, or how you do things down on the comments. So on this set, or the other people, the other guys were, we have Sieki Daniel, Sieki the comedian, and we have Adnan Clinton. You can find them on their channels.
Right, chukua kamera. Tunafaa kushughulikia kesho.
Ngoja. Umetoa nini kwa toilet? Umetoa pia nini?
Nimefanya nini?
Wakati umeenda hivi na kayo.
Wewe ulikuwa umeenda huko?
Mtu tu anaongea.
Ulikuwa umeenda huko?
Acha nisonge.
Tutasonga.
Wow.
Nimecheka.
I'm liking the background. The coffee.
Yes, let's see. Because naona yule mbona.
Hiyo hapa ni
Ng'ombe, nini ng'ombe?
Hiyo karibu inafaa.
Nani?
We need it.
Karibu.
We need it.
Sasa nitaika hivi.
Lazima uweke
Kwa mlango.
Karibu. Ah, ingi. Ah, tuna mfukuza.
Anapelekea nini?
Oni dada yake. Oni dada.
Wala kukunywa.